So one of the biggest questions I get asked is it possible, this one person AI agency? And the answer is, unless you've got AI native infrastructure, the answer is no, it's not possible. So if you look at a CRM system, for example, these legacy systems, AI came out, they added the AI agents to it. And what they do is they lay on top. They don't fully integrate with our systems. And so it's not going to integrate until you have a fully AI native architecture. So it's really, really important to recognize that it's about the structure before the one person agency is even going to be available. However, when you get to that point, you've still got other considerations, things like graphic designers, maybe your financial packages like QuickBooks, that type of thing. You've then got content that is being produced by the AI, obviously in draft one copy. You need a copywriter in order to make sure that that stuff's going out. So we're going to end up in a place where your website apps, including your website, will be an app. So this is where we're now getting into optimizing, say, 4,000 products in 30 minutes, which is the equivalent to 135 hours of time. We're able to add 6 languages to it in a matter of 15 minutes. All this stuff is actually doable right now. The only thing is nobody's actually doing it. And so that's where we come in, and we are leveraging that AI native architecture. We have our own control plane called AI-Steward. So you can go to that website and have a look at that as well. But basically, we're looking at apps going into the control plane, AI-Steward, and obviously all the data being stored in AWS. So right as we speak right now, if you don't have the AI native architecture, the answer is no, you're not going to be able to do it.